Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to edit CMYK and RGB graphical objects using the alternative color feature of Konica Minolta's Centro software. So you'll see in my file I have here, I have two graphical objects, one which is 50% cyan and another which has RGB values of 109, 207 and 246. So traditionally when we print these types of files to a digital press, these two color mixes will print with a different output mix. So using Konica Minolta's Centro software, I want to print these files so they output with the same output CMYK mix. So I'm going to open Centro, and in here there's a feature called Alternative Color Management. Open that. The first thing I want to do in here is create a new table. To do that, I just select File, and New Table. And this will now make the New button down here available. Now, using this new button, I can create new CMYK to CMYK or RGB to CMYK color changes. I'm going to start with my CMYK value in this case. So I click New. So in here, I now have an area where I can select my original file values and an area where I can select my output CMYK values. So I'll start with my cyan at 50%. That's my original file value for the CMYK object. And for this particular case, I'm just going to protect that color and keep that at 50% for the output as well. So now I'm going to switch over to my RGB. Just move this so I can see my file values there. Select New again. Then here I can input my RGB values. Now you notice up here I've got a toggle for RGB percentage for RGB device code value, so you can easily change that depending on how your file values are represented. So I'm just going to import these RGB values in my files. It's 109, 207, 246. And again, for this one, I'm also going to select this to be 50% cyan for the output. Okay, once I've made that selection, I've got both of my values set how I want them. Now all I need to do is select Register. I'll select my controller as my storage location. And I'm going to give the table a name. In this case, I'm just going to call it Client A. It's generally best to name these color tables after the client so you can easily refer to them in the future. And now all I need to do is select Save. We can now close our alternative color management. Now to output the file using either a Curio Pro Print Manager or a Curio Pro Flux, there is one setting we need to enable in order to use the alternative color table that we've just created. So firstly I'll show you in Print Manager. So all we need to do is open the file, move to our Color Management tab, make sure we go into Manual Settings, then Optional Settings, and in here there's a setting called Alternative Color Table. We just drop that down and select the color table that we've just created, and then once we've selected that, we just choose Save or Print. And likewise, if you are printing from the Curio Pro Flux, again, we just go into the File, go to our Finishing tab, go to Edit Additional Printer Settings, Color Management, Manual Settings, Optional Settings, Uncheck Default, and then again we've got our option for Alternative Color Table. Select that, select Apply. So now when we print this file, both of these graphical objects will print with 50% cyan. Thank you for watching.